Hello fam, great to see you again online. What's coming in this vlog? We have this problem 11 to the power x minus 10 to the power x equals 21, and we want to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult, but it becomes easier if you break down the number 21 into two numbers such as 21 times 1. Next we are going to break down 21 into the summation of 11 plus 10 and express 1 as 11 minus 10. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 11 to the power 2 minus 10 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2, and this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for being here.